Today is November 8, 2021. I'm going to discuss with you on how to control high blood sugar naturally. And high blood sugar is very common, and all of us have some experience it, even so we don't have any symptoms, because blood sugar have kind of variation and during the day. Here just show some example. Here is the baseline of blood sugar, and then if you eat breakfast, lunch, and then you have snack and dinner. So immediately after you eating, and depending on what kind of food you eat, and usually you have some kind of increase of blood sugar. But this increase usually is temporary. Usually within 2 hours after eating, it's going to come back to the normal situation. So that's why when we're going to measure our blood sugar, usually we need to don't eat food we should go in the morning, and we don't eat anything, and that would be reflect true sugar. So, and also means that we without eating in the blood. So generally speaking, and that normal blood sugar readings on fasting is less than 100, and also another more accurate way to measure the blood sugar is use A1C, and this is the sugar which is combined to the it's also called glycohemoglobin cells, and these values measure the average blood sugar over the past 3 months. So because any single measurement may give you abnormal results, but so actually A1C will give you much more accurate results. Usually the value should be below 5.7%. And the causes of high blood sugar is very, very complicated. So of course, first of all, genetic can be the reason. And if your parents have diabetes, I think the chance of you have high blood sugar will increase significantly. But generally speaking, and normal situation is just you input more sugar, and then your output sugar is less, and that's why it will cause high blood sugar. And sugar, the only thing we're going to use the function is to generate energy. So if we don't use it, then that sugar will convert to the fat or other molecules, which is not like waste. And so that's the reason that we need to have control sugar, make sure that we don't store sugar in our body. And it's important that, as I mentioned, usually most cases we don't have symptoms, even so with high blood sugar. As I mentioned in the picture earlier, that the normal situation of blood sugar will have huge variation, especially after eating, and you immediately will be increased much higher than normal blood sugar. But in the normal situation, because we have insulin or other hormones, we can consume this sugar, and the sugar will going to reduce immediately. Even so, the sugar not consumed, and that sugar will convert to the fat or other molecules. So if you have symptoms, that means you already, I think, some kind of illness, and that maybe already have diabetes. And so how to control the blood sugar naturally? And that's and as mentioned, that the most important thing is that you eat less, input less, and consume more. So you don't want the sugar in your blood, because they have the nutrition value, as I mentioned, that is only used to generate energy, and the other values almost as waste, and also like you can convert into this fat, and fat is not good to the human bodies. So how to control the high blood sugar naturally? So that's, of course, you need to eat less sugar and then try to remove more sugar. So eat a low sugar diet, much more vegetables, and then you need exercise more to consume the blood sugar. And in this case, you can maintain this blood sugar at low level. And many plants actually is very helpful to reduce blood sugar. There's some of example I can show here. One is betamarin, and this is the plants and can reduce blood sugar. And then here is the banana leaf, is also have the function. And this one is Jemima leaves, also have the function to reduce the blood sugar. And this one is called the yellow, and that is also function. So it's a lot of plants have the function. So if you like to reduce your blood sugar, maybe you can do some research, and you can find a lot of plants which have the function of reduce blood sugar. But also there's some kind of a supplement. One of the best I found is the Altai Balance, and this Altai Balance contains 19 different natural ingredients that are all of them derived from the natural whole herbs, and all of them was demonstrated to have some kind of possibility to reduce blood sugar, such as banana leaf, as I mentioned. And because it slowed the breakdown of starch, when we eat starch, can reduce this breakdown starch to glucose, so they can maintain state glucose level. And betamarin, as I mentioned, that can promote sugar digestion, so thus can reduce blood sugar. And Kenya pepper and support metabolism of sugar, so to increase sugar degradation. And cinnamon, and it can suppress appetite, so you eat less, of course sugar level can be reduced. And Jemima leaf, and also suppress sugar craving, and also enhance pancreatic function, so this help reduce blood sugar. Juniper berry, and we also target blood sugar for degradation, so enhance degradation of sugar, thus can reduce blood sugar quickly. Licorice root, and also can reduce blood sugar. And taurine, and that can also regulate sugar metabolism. And then white mulberry, and target blood sugar for degradation. And the yellow area, and regulate blood sugar metabolism, so they can reduce the blood sugar. So there's so many plants. You can see that they combine more than 10 Altai Balance contains more than 10 different plants. So they combine all this together, and also all this have a food effect on fighting sugar craving, regulating sugar metabolism, and reduce blood sugar. So, and if you want to reduce blood sugar seriously, and because it's tough to identify all the plants and to eat as food, and I think it's a good idea just use this supplement, and so it can save us a lot of time and energy. and that is a recipe for us to lower blood sugar. And all this anti-sugar ingredients are packed in single capsule. You just need few seconds to take one capsule a day. And it's worth have a look at these products. And if you are interested, you can just click the link in this website, and the link is described in this video, in this in the description, if you like to learn more about this Altai Balance. And this is every ingredient is natural ingredients. Yeah, that's video for today. I wish you have a healthy and happy life. And if you want me to have any video that you feel are interesting for me to talk, please write to me, so I will try my best to make a video to fit your needs. And that's what in this way we have some target videos, so make sure you are interested. Again, wish you have a happy, healthy day, and I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.